Today we're going to be making stuffed peppers. Stuffed peppers are so healthy and good for you. It's really easy recipe. It just takes a little bit of time to put it together, but I promise you it's all worth it. Welcome my friends. I'm Miroslav and I love to cook. I was born and raised in old Yugoslavia. I moved to the United States in 1986 when I was 22 years old. Often I get nostalgic over a good life we had. When I get that feeling, I put Yugoslavian music in the background and I start to cook old and some forgotten recipes. You're gonna need 9 or 10 peppers, depends on the size. 10 slices, 450 grams of bacon. 1 cup oil. 2 or 3 large onions, 600 grams, 3.5 pounds ground beef, 1 cup rice, 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 tablespoon salt, and 2 tablespoons garlic. Cut up bacon in very small pieces. Also cut up onions in very small pieces. Start cooking bacon until it's golden brown. Add 1 cup of oil. And then add all your chopped up onions. Add 2 tablespoons of garlic. Mix it well. Add 1 tablespoon of paprika. After everything is golden brown, add 3.5 pounds of ground beef. Ground beef, it just needs to be mixed well. You really don't have to cook it all the way through. After it's all mixed, just set it on the side and let it cool down a little bit. Add 3 eggs. Add 1 cup of rice. Add 1 teaspoon pepper and 1 tablespoon salt. Now you can start stuffing peppers. We're just going to cut the core of the pepper and make sure that sharp side of the knife it's away from your hand. You can cut yourself pretty good. And you can clean up inside the pepper by hand and make sure you pull out all the seeds and everything inside of it. Once you finish cleaning up inside the peppers, we can start putting the stuffing in. Use the spoon and just pack it as tight as you can. When you start laying peppers inside a dish, make sure the opening of the pepper stays on top so you don't spill the stuffing. After all peppers are stuffed, it's time to make the sauce. For sauce, you're gonna need half a cup oil, 1.5 tablespoon flour, tablespoon paprika, 8 ounces tomato paste, 4 cups water, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon pepper. Start with a half a cup oil and let it get hot before you add flour. Add a tablespoon of paprika. Tablespoon of sugar, tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon pepper. Add 4 cups of water. Add 8 ounces of tomato paste. After approximately 10 minutes of cooking, it will become like a thick soup. Depends on the size of your dish. You might not have enough sauce to cover it. So just add water and make sure it's topped off over peppers. Preheat your oven on 360 degrees. Cover the dish with foil. Cook it for 2.5 hours. I really hope you love the recipe. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. And I'll see you soon. Thank you for watching.